In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow designer or just someone dipping their toes into web development, knowing how to manipulate images is a handy skill to have. Flipping an image can be useful for design layout, creating a unique visual effect, or simply correcting an initial oversight. Let's dive right into it. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Webflow on Google. Once the page loads, you'll see a prompt to either log in or sign up, depending on whether you already have an account. Go ahead and click on that option. If you're new to Webflow, simply follow the prompts to sign up. They'll guide you through a straightforward sign-up process where you'll be asked to provide some basic information like your email and a password. If you already have an account, just log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open the Webflow Designer, which is the heart of this process. Within the Designer, locate the project where your image resides or start a new one if you're working from scratch. Navigate to the specific section or page of your project where the image you want to flip resides. Click to select this image, as this is the first step in applying any transformations to it. Now that your image is selected, shift your attention to the right side of the Designer. Here, you'll find the Style panel. This panel is your control hub for styling elements within Webflow. Scroll through this panel until you reach the Effects section. This is where the magic of flipping happens. You'll notice a plus button, plus, within this section. Go ahead and click this to add a new transform effect. With the transform effects ready to go, you'll see an array of options appear, all designed to modify your selected image in various ways. For flipping the image, you'll want to click on Rotate. This option allows you to precisely control the orientation of your image. There's a slider or a field where you can enter a rotation value. By inputting values like 180 degrees, you'll effectively flip the image upside down. Explore other values, or even add additional transforms if you want to achieve more complex effects. Adjust the rotation until you're satisfied with how the image appears. Remember, Webflow allows you to preview changes in real time, so don't hesitate to experiment with different angles or combine transforms to see what works best for your design. And there you have it. Flipping an image in Webflow is as straightforward as that. Play around with these settings to get the hang of it. And remember that experimentation is key to learning and creating more visually engaging and dynamic websites. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!